Hey guys, it's Gautam Govindan.
This is Shamik Chakrabarti.
And this is Kanan Gill, and this is Broke Studio, the podcast with
No edits.
There's two times when you get motivation in a company. One is early and one
Yeah.
is late. The
Yeah,
middle
yeah.
phase is where you don't care, where you don't know what you're doing.
But that's where you meet the craziest employees, who care about the image of their company and all.
yeah.
It's fun doing shows for CEOs, the CXO suite,
Yeah.
and new joinees.
Correct.
Anyone in the middle is such a pain in the ass.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Just when I was working in Cadbury,
Yeah.
there was this so celebrations.
Yeah.
Right? Celebrations is Diwali, they're like fucking
Let's
all
go.
over the place.
Yeah.
Okay. So
just all over the place,
they're
yes?
crazy. Okay, so
Someone rings the bell like, oh fuck, it's Diwali time.
so only Cadbury has 3 seasons. That's it.
Yeah.
We have Valentine's Day, Rakhi, and Diwali.
Got it.
90% of your sales happen during that time,
Yeah.
and I was in sales, right? So celebrations are coming in, and they were like, we need to do something different online. We have Shah Rukh Khan AI coming and all this. We're like, okay, whatever, right?
Yeah.
And then I was like, okay, guys, the celebrations like, we'll do this and all. Like, Gautam, you don't understand what celebration is all about. It has to be the highest number. I was like, dude, it's like a summation of products, right? How did you? You're like, how dare you say that?
It's not a product,
Do you
it's
know
a
about the-
service. Chocolate delivery
Product as a
service.
service.
You cannot buy a celebration.
That's right.
A celebration is something that occurs.
Yeah, exactly. You
Come,
understand?
join our celebration.
Online, we were in the online team. Online team is like 5% of Cadbury, right? So nobody really cares about us. So we would just like try to be provocative.
Yeah.
So we would say that, Ferrero Rocher is coming with transparent. You can see inside gold and all.
Voyeuristic.
Fuck Ferrero Rocher. Fuck.
We're going to make us opaque. You can't even see it when the sun is shining.
I only like some 2-3 years ago learned how to pronounce Ferrero Rocher.
What were you
I
saying?
grew
Rocker?
up saying Ferrero Rocher like everybody else.
Ferrero Rocher.
Ferrero Rocher.
It's the short form. It's the Motor Razor version. You just cut out the
It's
unnecessary.
a Ferrero Rocher.
Ferrero Rocher has an interesting place in the sort of annals of chocolatiers.
Oh yes,
It's simultaneously considered high-end and also accessible. I don't know
Gold.
where it sits
It,
anymore.
it
the
was
gold
purely
foil.
high end for
Yeah.
many decades.
Yes.
And
Now
then they
it
started-
occupies. I was talking to a friend about this. He's like, "Do you think anyone buys Ferrero Rocher for themselves?" Like, I don't think so, dude.
That's probably the line where you're like, now it's normal. Like when
Yeah.
you just
Yeah.
buy it for a snack. And
yeah,
You're just
Like,
tossing.
I just love these. No, someone has to give it to you.
Yeah.
How
buy
sad.
with your own
You
money.
came to someone's house and you're like,
Oh man, I'm picturing the saddest guy gifting himself in the mirror. Here, for you. Your 26th birthday.
you do the reaction, like receiving reaction.
Oh,
Like,
God.
Thank you. That was like all those people are saying who are like so tired and crazy about the brand. I saw all those psychos when I was working, man. Just ridiculous. People are like, the brand, like, perk means, we have to be against the system. 5-star, 5-star.
Punk is the punk rock chocolate.
punk rock,
It's the DIY
5-star
epic.
is anti-establishment 5-star. I have never felt anti-establishment after eating 5-star.
I get it, somehow something perk. All the advertising used to be like lightning.
Yeah.
It's like Mountain Dew.
It's so dumb.
All I remember about Perk, the first thing that
It's 5
struck me-
rupees.
No, it was 10 rupees. Munch was 5.
Yeah,
Same
Munch was
size,
5.
double the price. So
Yeah.
it's like a premium.
Yeah,
Already
yeah.
it was a premium to me. I'm like, I buy that the day I'm like, I'm not interested in 2 munches today. I can't go munch today. I'm going to go with Perk. All right? I can't do the munch.
No.
But
Name of the episode, Munch, bro. You got it.
I think Neeti Palta named that chocolate. So shout out to
What,
Neeti-
Munch, really?
Munch is named by Neeti Palta. Yeah.
Oh, she was in FMCG before.
Yeah.
She was in advertising, yeah.
Yeah?
I didn't know she named Munch. That's
She named
crazy.
Munch.
Yeah.
And now she's on one. A Munch. Stage in Hindi.
Wow.
Munch. Thank
Cheers to you.
cheers. We'll cut that.
I love intros of like YouTube videos because I watch so much YouTube now, unfortunately. It's that, and I always watch functional YouTube. I need to know how to do something, so I'll search for a video, but then never get to the point of what the fuck the video is about
Yeah.
for at least 3.5, 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Now YouTube has this commonly skipped thing,
Yeah.
but it's
Jump
like
ahead.
it's like a thing I do
Chapters.
for fun that you
Yeah.
can just. How much can you talk before talking about what you want to
Absolutely.
talk about?
Yeah.
It's a skill. It's a skill. They do it in written journalism as well now. Like you try to follow your football team, they'll be like, You won't believe which player is injured today for Liverpool. And you have to scroll past like 20 ads.
The whole
It is-
roster, they're like,
Yeah.
this guy is not injured. This guy is
So
not
they'll be like, a crazy player is injured. They'll give you the teaser. Then they'll be like, Liverpool Football Club was established. You start from the history.
500
Yeah,
word. You
yeah.
have to make a 500 word.
Welcome to the podcast. Should you start podcast in 2025?
Yeah.
Well, before we continue, guys, please smash that like button. Please share and
Yes.
subscribe. These stats say 65% of people watching are not
Not
subscribed. And if you're interested in podcast, we actually have a course on Udemy. It's about a 6-hour risk-free trial program that you can purchase right now. And no pressure if you want to do it. Once again, link is
Yeah.
in the description. 2025.
it.
Use my code. Let's get to it.
And an intro music video.
What our podcast? Yo, if anyone has an intro sting, oh my god, I'm furious. Who do you think you are? What do you think this is?
That's so, 2000 and late.
2000 and late,
you can't have
dude.
an intro sting.
Yeah, for a guy who explains why USB-C cords can sometimes have problems. You'd be like,
I love-
tech guy is back.
Also the ones जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं guys आज हम ये
yeah,
अनबॉक्सिंग
yeah.
करने वाले हैं अनबॉक्सिंग के लिए आप देख सकते हैं पहले आपको ये कर पहले तो आपको सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा puts in the subscribe and that also
But I've had the opposite of that where like same thing, some how to I'll be doing like how to whatever convert HDMI, how to cast from Apple to Chromecast and all.
Yeah.
So I'll take like a full how to video. I'll start and they'll be like, first switch on your TV. I was like, fuck off.
yeah don't patronize me
I'll scroll front and then they'll be like, then you use the modem. I'll be like, okay, I went
This
two
happens
ahead.
to me all the time, dude.
Amazing.
I'll watch 2 minutes and be like, surely I can skip now. And I'll skip 30 seconds. And spend the next 5 minutes trying to go back to where I was.
you skip 30 seconds and he's working on the internal circuit
No, come back.
He's like, so this is the battery. You're like, how did we get here?
how have you covered so much ground in 30 seconds
Yeah.
I do a lot of the looking up things and now they have when you go through Google
Yeah.
then go through Google it puts it gives you the timestamp
the
directly
range.
of what
Yeah,
you need
yeah.
which I
Really?
love.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Wow.
So there's chapters Google
Yeah.
tells you fuck this you don't need this get straight
Yeah.
to the point
Yeah.
which is beautiful so Google
Nice.
believe it or not Google still works in
Yeah.
20 what year is this
This is I mean,
Just barely, but yes.
just barely
Yeah. With that
but
despicable.
ChatGPT, man,
this guy is,
I am a power user of ChatGPT.
I've
ask
never
him-
used it.
ask
You've
him
never
what he
used it?
never
Never.
Why?
That's crazy.
Why?
I am opposed to it on every level.
But I mean, it's an assistant. As an assistant, you can use it.
But at what cost, Gautam?
At I think 2,000 rupees a month.
That's too much.
I was
I meant
gonna
an emotional cost.
I was gonna ask you why don't you use ChatGPT, but I decided I'll ask ChatGPT why you don't.
Yeah, go ahead.
Why does Karan Gill not use ChatGPT?
I don't use any things because I think they're like abhorrent, unnatural, terrible.
Perfect. This is the perfect spectrum of AI hatred. You are on one
I
end.
truly did genuinely hate it.
I am in the middle.
Yeah.
I'll be honest. I'm more in this.
Yeah.
This guy gets therapy from AI.
Dude, I know so many people who ask ChatGPT their motherfucking problems.
Yeah.
And they'll come and talk to me as if this is a normal thing to do. So I was talking to ChatGPT and he's not texting because I was like, what the fuck? What's wrong
So
with you?
I did the whole thing
He
where
does it.
I exported the WhatsApp chat with me and my girlfriend and imported onto ChatGPT and told like to give me
Does
like
your girlfriend watch this podcast?
hell yeah.
Does she know that you do this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I told like, then they told like, oh Gautam, you need to be more present in the relationship.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, calm down. Little
You know
AI
what, you
bot. little bot.
You know when the robots do take over and they will.
Yeah.
You know what an Uncle Tom is like in like the African Americans who used to work for the
Oh, yeah.
white people.
Oh, the slave
And like Samuel L. Jackson's character in the Django Unchained is a classic Uncle Tom.
Got
You
it.
are like an Uncle Tom for AI. When AI takes over, you will fight against humans for
I
the
know.
robots, and they'll keep you alive because of that.
Yeah, I'm still team human.
Are you?
Barely, it seems like, bro. Taking some robot's word for it.
Yeah, because now the robot knows about you, your personality, your WhatsApp chats, which is, it doesn't scare you ever.
No, I tampered with the evidence a little bit on the WhatsApp. I removed all the stuff and I added some stuff of mine.
It's a robot.
What if
What are you talking about? Will you respect your privacy?
Also, ChatGPT can
It's
just.
not real.
You think ChatGPT won't at some point just ask WhatsApp, hey, he deleted some shit. Can you send me the stuff he
Yeah,
deleted?
it'll all connect if you use Meta AI.
Yeah,
But-
Jen. What about AGI. It's coming.
General intelligence.
It's coming.
It's coming.
The top ranked intelligence of all. Wing
What
Commander.
ChatGPT is saying is that it's not
Wing
coming.
Commander intelligence.
ChatGPT thinks it's not
The
coming.
ChatGPT is saying, don't worry about it.
You've
don't
had
worry
this
about it.
conversation with ChatGPT before.
Don't worry about it, Gautam. Just give me all your data.
That's talk about what is the the phrase for that? Not preaching to the choir, but something like that. Asking ChatGPT about you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, no.
But you absolutely abhor AI in
Yeah.
every form.
Siri, you use Siri?
I'm not opposed to what it is.
Ah.
The generative aspect of it, how it's become like very good
Yeah.
in the past couple of years. That's what I don't like.
Okay, you
I know.
used
I
to
studied
create.
AI in college, bro. We
Yeah.
did it. I got S grade.
Oh, superlative.
Wow.
You got S?
S, bro.
Fuck, dude, I barely got an. I got maybe 2 S's in the whole 4 years.
You also did computer science, right?
No, I was electrical.
Electrical.
Trickle.
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 Trickle boys. What about you? You also did
Civil
engineering.
engineering.
Civil.
Civil.
Wow. Full spectrum we can.
Full
Yeah.
spectrum.
We can make a house and install a doorbell. Smart doorbell.
The only
Yeah.
skill required at this day and age, really.
I actually use my computer science degree now for fun. When I had to do software for a job, like comedy was my passion,
Yeah.
and now software has become my passion. For fun, I do
You found
software.
the joy in software.
Yeah.
But like, what are you up to on software? Right now?
I just made a facial recognition system for my house.
Okay.
Like with like a Raspberry Pi and a camera. It's pretty fucking straightforward. Again, you just watch one video like, hey guys, thank you for watching. In 2025, how should you use it? So it's just to incentivize my friends to visit me.
No, what is the facial recognition? So, entry.
So when you come, there'll be a camera that sees your face, and it has a database of people it knows, and be like, oh shit, it's Gotham, and you get 10 points for visiting me, 10 tier points. Okay.
Okay.
So that upgrade you in the membership tier.
This is Indigo.
This is Indigo.
Blue chip. You're like blue chip
Yeah,
for your
yeah.
house. Loyalty program.
This is a loyalty program.
But this is also you're building an AI, but just an AI which has very little,
With your intelligence
very
in
few
it.
friends.
I have made it.
You
I have
made
no
it.
problem with the machine knowing how to do stuff. I'm
Okay.
Like, okay, so first of all is the economic cost. Okay, already has removed one full hundreds of thousands of people from the workforce who will
Yeah.
never get another job back.
Correct.
That job is gone forever.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
replaced by machine. Those people
Yeah.
now don't have money. What will the machine do with money? Nothing.
Bro, they're upskilling. They're upskilling. By which
Upskill to where will you go, dude?
upskilling is a euphemism for doing dance reels on the street.
Serious?
That's the only AI-free job right now. You gotta upskill, man.
Prompt engineering. They should all become prompt engineers.
Just ask questions.
Yeah, no, there's a skill. There is something called prompt
Okay,
engineering.
I mean, how complex is making a prompt for something?
Dude,
it's just
you should
talking.
watch me prompting, dude. It's crazy.
Can we
Watch
watch
me
you
prompt.
prompting? Can you prompt
Watch
for us
me
right
prompt,
now?
watch me
if it's
nay,
okay, if
Watch
it's okay
me
with
prompt.
you.
Watch me
Watch me nay, nay.
Watch me prompt.
Oh God, no, because googling things was a version of prompt engineering, the
Yeah.
earliest version.
Yeah, knowing how to
and
Google.
we figured out how to
Google power users put quotes.
Yeah, they would be, they would use the advanced features like use from this side, don't look at Pornhub, tell me.
I
and
would
all those
put
things.
plus and all. I made
Yeah,
the
yeah.
longest equation when I was googling things. This
Yeah,
word
the plus
this
was
this.
something, right? What was the plus?
There was a time where you just put keywords and you don't need any connectors. It's just to speed. They say it
Yeah.
sped up. That gave you better results. But
Yes.
it died out pretty soon. I don't know with that bubble.
Yeah, even
burst.
even Gmail also use prompt engineering only. Like InSend, Invoice.
Is that a prompt? That's just a filter, dude.
But it's no. Okay, cool. That means we have a lot more to learn in prompt engineering.
There's a bigger opening. There's a gap in the market.
so much, man.
Wherever
See, I'm
there's a
positive.
gap.
I'm AI positive.
Yeah, you have what I told you. This is called. I was reading a book on the AI. What the problems it's going to cause.
What pessimism?
It's called pessimism aversion.
Yep.
There's a pessimism aversion in the tech field where people are like, no, it's not going to be that bad.
Yeah.
But that's on a basis of history. But AI is progressing in a way there is no equivalent in history. It's literally next year is unbelievable. Not like 10 years from now.
Yeah.
Next year there'll be a robot that can like
Yeah.
eat or something. I don't know.
What I don't like is that they train these things using shit that no one gave them permission to
Yeah.
do.
Yeah.
And like now it knows. It can't unknow anything.
Yeah.
And like if real people's real work was actually licensed and you actually paid all those people,
Yeah.
you would have never made it because it would have cost too much money.
Yeah.
It's inconceivable to hoard human knowledge in one place.
Correct.
That's why this thing is unnatural.
Yeah.
Because
Yes.
naturally you could have never made it. So you have to make it using devious means.
That's true.
And then none of these companies make money. That's like my main, like, what the fuck? None of these
They
companies
will make money
are
now
profitable.
with
No,
ads.
but I don't
Dude,
like
let
this.
them sell my data. It's all right.
No, but this the whole like they can't run.
Okay.
That's how much it costs to just run the server
Yeah,
to
the
make
server
the thing.
farms and all
Now
that.
they're buying nuclear reactor and all that fucking. Come on, dude.
It'll
That's
be
it.
funny if this episode gets less views because the AI is recognizing we're shitting on it.
We can cut it out. We
No,
can cut it out.
No, absolutely
Yeah.
not. We don't cut nothing.
Nothing. No edits,
Oh yeah, this is
man.
no edits.
No,
We
don't cut anything.
Yeah, so I watched the podcast. I watched a little bit of an episode.
Thank you.
I've seen the production quality scale massively.
Absolutely, yeah.
Season 1 in a house, you guys haven't bathed.
Yeah.
You look like
Yeah.
just no one's washed their face also.
Like Friends season 1, same situation.
Like Friends season 1 is what I thought of.
It's like
that
Breaking
time
Bad. Like
also.
after season 1, it picks up.
Then you call it Broke Studio and you get a sense of like, oh, I know why this is Broke Studio.
Yeah.
They're just a bunch of guys in a house. Maybe it's a studio apartment.
Yeah.
Cut to.
Yeah.
We are in a professional studio with huge lights. You guys have paid 75,000 rupees an hour to rent this space. Each guest gets 1,25,000. So clearly like fame has come to them. So you guys as viewers
Yes.
want to know in 2025.
Yes. Wow.
What's going on with Shamik and Gautam? So I've got some really in-depth,
Oh, boy.
unique questions.
Bro, let's go.
Question 1.
Yes.
How did you guys meet?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I actually don't know this. That's why.
I think he used to come to he entered comedy as an audience member. First.
Yeah, I came to watch comedy.
Yeah.
And you're like,
Bistro
anyone can do this.
Yeah,
Bistro Claytopia. I
The
came.
biggest sign that you failed.
Bistro Claytopia.
Yeah,
Oh,
Bistro.
anyone. Oh, that's
He stopped. He moved from Bangalore after
because
coming
of
to
Bistro Claytopia.
One
No,
day was-
it's a great place, but it wasn't a great stand-up comedy venue.
Yeah.
Through no fault of Bistro Claytopia.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It didn't set out to be a stand-up comedy venue.
They
We
were like,
turned
you
it.
can paint pots here.
Yeah.
And then we did stand-up in the evenings. And I don't think I've ever seen anyone do well there.
No,
Yeah.
that's the kind of the point. Like,
Yeah.
no one does well there. I think he did which is a sign that you didn't do well as a stand-up comedian. He watched us and then he started doing stand-up. Which
Yeah.
made
That's
me
how I
feel-
started also. I went to Urban Solace one day and I was
Yeah.
like, anyone can do this.
Yeah.
Exactly.
People think this is good.
Correct.
Yeah. I saw all
That's how I started.
all the heavyweights. I saw Kel, Shamik, Somnath, all these guys. I
Oh
was
my
like,
God. All-star lineup at Bistro Claytopia.
The who's that?
In
The who's that?
Kormangla 4th block.
who's that at the comedy?
The what's that? What's that? Of
Are they still doing this on the Indian comedy scene?
Yeah.
But and then we just like
Yeah, Bistro Claytopia sometimes had a lineup where to save the show, we would bring someone to do pottery at the end. that would be more funny than
Yeah.
what we did.
yeah.
And
Yes.
so that's how, this would have been 2016?
2017, yeah, 2017,
That's
yeah,
when
yeah.
I had just started. I was also pretty new. So 2016 I had started.
Yeah.
And then this guy is like, can I do a spot? And we're like,
He asked you.
we're full. So I'm just recreating. Who knows? You know.
Yeah, you were like,
don't
"Where's your
know.
pot?"
You don't know. I don't know. I just start like. Do you know the trajectory
the
of your
moment-
first year of what you did in stand up?
Not at all, dude.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I was just
Yeah.
like, I remember signing up. And then it's sort of a blur, and then suddenly I'm like, oh, I've been doing this for a
Dude,
while.
I used to do that where like we had to sign our name in at like 2:00.
Yeah.
At Tuesdays, 2:00, we have to come there and we have to write your name
Yeah.
and then go. And I had a day job.
This is at Urban Solace.
Everywhere,
All-
every
we had
room.
the same
Every room
system.
was like this, right? So 1:45, I was in my office was in HSR.
Yeah.
I would say I'm going for a smoke, tensed. And
Long
then I'll take
fucking
an
smoke.
auto to my boss. I'll be like, oh, boss smoke. And then I go and write my name in Claytopia. Come
Yeah.
back and I didn't smoke. So on the way back to office, I'm like, oh, whoa, whoa.
Just to have your alibi make sense, you smoke.
From HSR to
Kormangla and
Alsur.
back. Yeah, no, but yeah, Kormangla for Claytopia and all those things.
I used to. My office was in Marthalli, so I had to take half days. I was serial half day guy to
Yeah.
sign up for this 2:00 thing.
Yeah.
I was like second half. I functioned better from
Yeah.
home. So I found some way to do
Same.
that.
I used to also have to. I left early on one day, but that was like it's a little bit before you guys. We
Yeah.
didn't have to sign up because like
There
the
weren't enough.
guy who ran the shop used to call me and be like, "Can you please come? Nobody today. We have audience, but we don't have
Yeah.
comedians."
No, the best part
That
was
will never happen again. in
all
India
those
ever.
all those cafes, like the first time this would happen, they'll be like, holy shit, 20 people are coming at 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Wow, business is booming, and all will
yeah.
come and write and leave. They're like, oh.
They're really into this sheet of paper. No one's into our burger. What's wrong with our burger? You know?
Yeah, they all say like, the comedians come, they don't buy anything. I'm like, they're coming to do comedy. Yeah, but the audience also doesn't buy anything. So you guys met at Bistro Cliff.
Yes.
Cliff Notes. Okay.
Next.
Thank you very much for answering the question.
Thank you.
Very good.
Thank
This question is for both of you individually, so you answer it one at a time. Okay. We'll start with you, Gautam, and I want an earnest answer. Okay, no
Okay.
bullshit answer. I want you to think and tell me what you actually think.
Okay.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Oh.
The year is 2030.
2030.
AGI may or may not have come, but you think about yourself. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
5 years.
Yeah.
Our heads are chopped and on the floor, like two of us, because we're like anti-AI. So we are dead.
Yeah, done.
We are decoration
You have
pieces.
lost two of the greatest minds.
But more stage time, I guess.
More stage time.
No, but actually, I wondered.
Yeah.
Do you think about the future?
5 years, no.
You don't think about 5 years?
I don't think about 5
You
years.
have a vague
at all.
idea of the future?
1 year I have.
Okay.
1 year I want like do more comedy.
All right.
It's like
That's
it's just,
good.
Yeah, it's just more like I just want to I want to see more like familiar face. Like what do you say? White people I want to see. Like
You want to
it's a-
see white people?
It's a way I'm trying
You
to
started with familiar faces.
No,
and
no,
then
not
you said
familiar face.
white
Like
people.
oh hey. Oh.
You just want a more diverse experience in terms of who's
I don't want
coming
to sound
watch.
like an idiot and be like, I want to go international, right? So I
No,
want
you're just not.
That would have been like the normal way to say it instead of
Yeah,
saying, I
no,
want to
no,
see
I
more
wanna
white
see
people.
white
to
people.
avoid saying I want to go international, you said the most weird thing. I want white faces in the
want
crowd.
white
Okay,
faces,
you want to
yeah.
do more in the coming 1 year.
Yeah.
You want to do more international shows.
Yeah.
And you have not thought about any future beyond that.
Just white people. I will cry the first white person I see in the audience. I'm like, oh,
Yeah, and then it's,
It's
just
over.
an person who's an albino, and then you're like, oh shit, still at
yeah.
zero.
But then that's all. Just more comedy, man. It's just like that's all.
All right.
I have nothing.
All right.
I think that's smart.
Shamik,
I think the
5
one,
years. The
Yeah.
question is 5 years. You can't rephrase the
Yeah.
question. He already did that because he's a prompt engineer.
Yeah.
He knows. He's
Okay,
very
I'll
prompt
give you-
about
I'll
it.
try to give you a 5-year answer, but to preface
Marriage.
my answer, I do think 1 year is a good window because I've read that book about AI and it's moving too fast for you also to plan for 5 years anymore. You know, when they do job interviews now, I bet they say, where do you see yourself
Tomorrow.
next week? Like,
Okay.
that's how fast AI is moving. You have to be like, where do you see yourself next Tuesday?
Where do you see
Yeah,
yourself? Who said that? Welcome to round 3.
But 5 years from now, okay, a serious, earnest answer.
Serious, earnest answer. That's what I want.
I mean, I would love to be in a place where I can make a comfortable living purely from stand-up comedy, so that
Well, what does purely from stand-up mean? Just going on stage and getting money for that? Or does
Yeah.
it mean the whole, now there's a larger bucket of stand-up and stand-up adjacent things like podcasts,
Yeah, do some show.
corporate events, private events.
that, but predominantly
You make
that
reels.
I play to a larger audience such
Yeah.
that the economics work out,
Work out.
Okay.
great.
Yeah.
It's like sort of like what you're doing, I suppose.
You have, well, thank you very much.
Yeah.
I just wanted to, I was like, how can I make you
Make it
say,
about-
I am your
So
idol?
Yeah.
fuck.
Got it.
We should have seen. We should have seen that.
All of these questions are ways to compliment me. Okay.
Do the first question again. We'll tell it. Like,
Where do you see?
we met.
we
right
met because of you. We
Yeah.
watched your video together.
Under your loving gaze, we met.
I was like, I know you guys would get along to. Hold on. Gautam, wait here.
Under the aegis of Kanan's.
You know, you wanted to meet a guy who you think his teeth are fucked up. For the record, I don't think your teeth are fucked up. Okay.
Dude.
You think that?
This is like,
Okay, how about off the record?
Off the record? Bro, what a nightmare his mouth is. Okay. Again, serious question. You'll be tempted to answer it comedically.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
guys, jokes are cheap. Honesty, that's what we want. Vulnerability,
Yeah.
Broke Studio Podcast.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
2025.
Let's go.
What is your greatest weakness? Actually, what do you consider to be?
Oh, this I have a very easy straight. It's boring.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah.
Okay,
If you have an answer,
it's,
go
ahead.
It's laziness and inertia. Like I get if I'm in a state of rest, I try to continue to remain in.
but
a
then if
state
you're
of
in
rest.
motion?
Then I continue to remain in motion. So inertia is probably
Inertia.
my answer.
Is that not a is that
Yeah,
a
but
weakness?
okay, inertia of rest. When it's the rest one, that's
Lazy,
the problem.
I feel like nailed it. Okay, but
Lazy
you
nailed it, but-
you don't find yourself motivated.
I think inertia is the perfect word because when I am sort of when
In
I'm
the
just
groove.
chilling,
Yeah.
I can overdo the chilling. I can to switch over to work mode. It takes a lot of effort. And then when I've switched over, I'm like, why wasn't I doing this
Yeah,
3 days
yeah.
ago? I wasted 3 days of my life.
You really think this is a weakness? Like you
It's a
see it as a big shortcoming?
I mean, I do think like it's a rat race, in the end of the day.
It's a rat race, bro.
And
It's
I'm
rat.
Well, why are we doing a podcast
I'm a
right
lazy
now?
rat. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Yeah.
What about you, man? You hate the poor. Anything else?
I mean, beyond that, weakness. Like for me, I have a thing where like when it's still insecure a little bit when I see like someone who is like it gets to me sometimes when I see like
Somebody else's success,
Yes,
which you feel
like
they don't deserve.
Not like there's some people whose success I'm like, yeah, dude,
Okay.
I mean, it's worth it. It's correct. Some people I see, I'm like,
Yeah, which is
And
You
then-
shouldn't love them. You should love me.
yeah. No,
Yeah.
Yeah.
which is in this
I
work.
guess it's very relatable.
in this line of work, it's gonna happen.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
it's not just comedians, it's actors, it's whatever.
Yeah,
It's all people. I'll go so far as to
and
say
then I burn
jealousy.
out, and then I work and burn out, and then I overcome the insecurity. I'm like, oh, it's okay. Nothing matters. Numbers
Yeah.
are just numbers. And then it's a cycle. It just keeps happening.
Okay, so the cycle is you find yourself being insecure of someone.
Yeah.
Try to outwork yourself out of the
Yeah.
insecurity, and then come to this enlightenment
Yes.
of it doesn't matter.
And then something good will happen. I'll get a little lazy, and then again, oh, there he goes.
What about you?
Yeah, what's your insecurity?
I guess I don't have any, bro.
Oh God.
I knew it. I kind of knew it.
Well, again, we fell for another trap. He's like, at some point they will turn this on.
Yeah,
just a
I thought
hard
you have to be
worker.
like, oh, Karan, we aspire to be like you again.
You're
Is it a
really-
weakness? I have a lot of mental problems. Does
Yeah.
that make sense? Yeah.
That's all what you were saying.
Sorry,
so
yeah.
mentally.
I'm laughing too much at that answer. It's not right.
I like saying mental problems because it takes the sting out of it.
Fair.
But it very often makes it very hard for me to function
Yeah.
in life. So like,
Fair enough.
there are
Like
like
what?
months that I lose that I can't like leave the house or
You're in a rut. Of
yeah,
sorts.
I'm effectively useless to myself for the world. Now I retreat into
Yeah.
myself and
Okay.
I very often think like, this. What kind of a life is this? You psycho. Why are you hiding in your house? But then it's a phase that I go in and out
Sure.
of,
I've
like-
done that a lot when I had my regular day job and nothing else in my life.
Yeah.
There have been weeks where I would just log in and I'm just looking at the laptop and I should have gone to work, but I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm just going to be here.
Yeah.
And if they need me, I'll go in. But I don't because they don't need me.
For me, I get comedic ruts also. There are some days where you're like, today I'm not.
Yeah.
If I go on stage today,
Yeah.
like the audience is going to have a tough time today.
I'm going through
I'm
that
not- yeah.
right now, like with new material because
Yeah.
I'm like, I've not written anything new. I'm not excited to go on stage.
For me, new, I'm good. I'm
skipping.
happy.
I'm skipping mics because I'm like, why should I go up and waste
Yeah.
time on stage? Someone
Yeah.
else can do that time. And I'm just punishing myself.
Yesterday, this will go out late enough that people
Yeah.
won't know exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was doing a private event yesterday, and on stage I had this thought that I often have. I'm like, why didn't they call a comedian for this? just seeing it go badly. I'm like, yeah. So I'm actually very negative and cynical and
Perfect.
agoraphobic.
Oh,
and-
he's Agora lover. He's
Agora
like,
lover.
Yeah, because he's like, I want white people in the audience.
But this is the question I was most excited to ask.
Okay.
We can cut out everything else.
Yes.
Okay. How good do you think you are at stand-up?
Oh God, this is an unanswerable question.
I want an honest answer.
But like, yeah.
Your evaluation of your stuff. How good do you think you are at stand-up comedy?
Are you talking about what I think is my potential or how good I am at this present
Currently.
moment? That one I can't.
If you went for your show,
Yeah.
how would you, like what is this guy's skill? But you also have access to the internal world of this guy, so you know.
You go first.
I would say I'm fairly confident that someone who watches me will feel like, okay, this person has put some effort into this. And at least if they watch a 1 hour show, they will at least feel that, okay, I can't do this tomorrow. earlier I used to feel that this insecurity that, okay, someone will watch me and be like, dude, what you
Yeah,
said
yeah.
is the reason you started, which is how I also started,
Yeah,
which I watch
yeah.
someone and I'm like, dude, I'll do this tomorrow.
Yeah.
I just want them to not feel that when they
Yeah.
watch my 1 hour show.
Yeah, yeah.
I think I feel like I'm there now. I don't think it's good. I don't think it's good at all. That's a whole other problem. That's another problem I have. Like, I just hate everything I do when I watch it.
While you're doing it or later?
Later, when I try to,
Yeah, same. Yeah.
I just can't. I'm like, what is this? What the fuck?
How do people watch this shit?
This is nothing. This is nothing.
Hasna tha kya?
Yeah, that's inside me. That comment is in
The
me.
comment is coming on top because
Dude, that
the author-
algorithm is inside me.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
I do this with my stand-up. I'm like, I'm my number one hater. Like, you can't beat me at that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think I think people will feel he's proficient enough at this that he's separating himself from an audience member. That's how good I am. That's it. I don't call that good. 4.5 on 10.
Okay, 4.5 out of 10.
Whoa,
Pretty
man.
brutal review.
Yeah,
I can't.
Mine
give
is
myself-
even lesser.
Come on, no, don't just.
No,
because I
not
said it.
because of that.
I feel like your guys are going into a thing of like, what do you think your show is like? I'm
Yeah.
asking about like, what's your level of skill you feel?
I think for me at least, I'm good at like short jokes, like something like I'm not able to like.
Not that short. Sorry.
Like, look at this little piece of shit. That's a good short joke.
Short
man.
bastard.
Hey, half ticket. Yeah.
Diffuse the tension. Continue.
Yeah,
Sorry,
that's it.
sorry.
So that's a short joke, like something which has like an arc and taking them on a journey and all. I'm not good at.
Do you feel like there's something you want to do?
Yeah, I mean, like I've seen the effect that has
Yeah,
in
yeah.
a show. I will come to see your show itself, and people are just like, "Oh my god, he brought Tiramisu back! Whoa!" I was like, "What? Didn't you see that coming?" Right. So it's just so fucking irritating to see the crowd
times.
react to your art.
Tres
and I'm like,
tiramisu.
Okay. So
because
yeah.
I remember seeing your whatever the tour you the
Right now,
art is going to
yeah.
come out. I saw the first version of it,
Yeah.
where all the bits are individual,
Yeah.
and the last version of it where it comes in between and all. The people are like, oh,
Yeah.
fuck, we thought he forgot.
I'm sorry, bro. Sorry.
I was like, fuck.
Yeah.
Sorry, Gautam. Sorry for doing this to you.
I think to add to that, since we're in a rich vein over here
Yeah.
of problems, I do think like part of what I do is that I'm working within limitations of how I perform. So I'm always stuck between should I perfect that and
Yeah.
just be the best version of that limited performer,
Yeah,
or do
yeah.
I want to add more things, more arrows to my quiver?
Quiver,
I guess. And I'm always like.
It's tough to think about
Yeah.
because you can get paralyzed thinking like, oh,
Yeah.
I don't know this many parts of the skill I want to master.
Yeah.
Should I work on that?
Yeah.
But then you'll see someone excellent
Yeah.
who never even thought about
Yeah.
diversifying, who's good at one thing, who
Correct.
just kept doing
Yeah.
that one thing, and they're amazing for it.
Correct.
So you're like, why don't I have this confidence to do
That's
that?
when the insecurity comes in. Like,
Yeah.
how dare he?
This fucking guy.
I think above everything, and this happened when I watched a few shows at the Edinburgh Fringe this time. I saw this one guy, Jordan
Brooks?
Brooks.
Yeah, amazing.
Jordan Brooks, who did a work in progress. And he basically, when I left the show, I'm like, how many minutes did he have of material in this show? You could have done it in 3 minutes. That it was one observation. But he made a show out of it. And I was like, this guy didn't even need material. So I think if there's anything above everything that I'm trying to go for is that be funny as a person on stage.
Funny
Yeah.
person saying things, not
Yeah, because
person
the
saying funny
writing, we are
things.
all, I think, inherently joke writers. You're
Yeah.
a joke
Yeah.
writer. I have nothing else but writing jokes.
Yeah.
So I think that I'm assuming that'll take care of itself. Just be the funniest version of yourself on
Yeah,
stage.
yeah.
And then
And you feel like you're like not close to that.
I think I'm like, when I'm on tour, I'll be like, okay, this today I was, and then the next 3
Yeah.
shows I'm further away from that,
Yeah.
and then again it happens. It's just doing it consistently. I think is the problem.
Doing it consistently is the problem.
Yeah, man.
We'll be right back after this break. These are some very good questions.
Nice.
That was just some stuff I wrote. Then I went to a website.
Oh, you
and
went
I
to
found some
ChatGPT?
questions. No, never.
But that website went to ChatGPT.
Oh fuck, they might
You
have.
can't. You're a second degree ChatGPT. If there's anything worse, you're a
Yeah, it's
passive
like, you know
smoker
that-
of ChatGPT.
They have that Kevin Bacon number, na? 6 degrees of connectivity.
Yes.
How far are you from ChatGPT?
Yeah.
So you are. So
Yeah,
both of
yeah.
us are 1 degree of separation.
Yeah,
Gautam uses ChatGPT.
Yeah.
We use Gautam.
That's like when in a Discord chat, people are like, chat, what is this?
Yeah.
They are
Hey,
using
chat.
humans
Yeah.
to look up things for themselves.
You know,
These-
streamers.
Oh,
the
so-
streamers.
So I thought chat was when streamers talk to the
Yeah,
stream.
yeah,
hey,
chat, yeah.
Okay.
So like I Show Speed. Have you heard of this guy?
Yeah, of course.
So he's the biggest
Yeah.
version of this. So he asks his human followers to tell him something. So he's kind of using humans again as a search engine, who are the indirectly.
Maybe
used-
there is hope still.
Yeah.
From this is the way we
If
have.
we get a lot of unemployed people,
Yeah.
we can create
A
our
critical
own AI.
mass.
A
you know,
critical mass.
What is that? Tipping point.
Tipping point. Oh,
Threshold value.
Malcolm Gladwell.
Kya baat hai bhai?
So guys, what I wanted. This is an important topic.
Uh-oh.
What do you guys feel about The Rock potentially winning an Oscar for Best Actor?
For that one,
He's a shoe-in to win Best Actor this year. The Rock, Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
Which movie is he done?
The Smashing
Yeah,
Machine.
Smashing Machine.
It's a.
I don't even know what this movie is.
It's first of all, like sort of headline. It's a bad year for film. All right, they have very bad entries in general. But he is like nominated for Best Actor.
Wow.
He's playing a real life MMA fighter who had some problems.
Yeah.
They all have problems.
Mama.
Choosing that career is a problem. Mama,
Sorry.
mama issues.
Mama fighters.
Mama issues.
Yeah.
So he's a shoe-in for Best Actor, which
Wow.
I've always been like a Rock fan from like when he was in WWE.
Yeah?
That was his peak for me.
Did you draw the bull in your school notebook?
I drew the bull. I did the eyebrows. I used to do the sideburns like him.
Wow.
And then he came into film and he made a bunch of shit.
Jumanji.
Well, he came out in the Scorpion King first.
That was
Yeah.
fun.
That was
that
pretty
was-
good.
We were growing
I
up.
was excited about that.
There was a Godsmack song.
Yeah.
I Stand Alone. Love it.
That
love
was
it.
there in Prince of Persia. If you have played Prince
Oh,
of
sorry,
Persia,
that was
2.
in Sands of Time. Sorry,
Sands
sorry,
of Time.
sorry,
Yeah,
sorry.
Sands of Time.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
Stand Alone.
No,
Then-
it was in the Scorpion.
I think
it
it was
in
there.
both?
Scorpion. Yeah,
It
but
was in
I remember
Scorpion
in
too.
that.
How can they just use it again?
Yeah,
dude?
that's how good it was.
They both stand alone, actually.
Dude, it should have been. It's the opposite of the Liverpool song. I stand alone or you never walk alone. You can't have both.
We both stand alone separately.
But you remember the first time The Rock appeared was in The Mummy Returns.
Yeah, as a
As the
CGI.
Scorpion
The
King.
worst CGI
Yeah.
ever. Like it's like Cartoon Network up here, and like
Well, at the time, I thought it was pretty good, dude.
the movie
Yeah.
was good. The movie
No
was
hate,
great.
no hate.
You should see what ChatGPT can do these days, man. It should-
But yeah, I don't like when a director who sees something in an actor who's struggling. This is like Benny Safdie. Is the Safdie
Oh, Safdie brother, huh?
He's
Safdie
directed
duo.
the- Yeah,
Sorry.
Safdie duo. I've not heard about them in a while. Can we just put the sting? Just can put that in here.
Yeah, you don't like it when a director finds potential in an actor?
No, I don't like that.
You don't like it?
Let them keep doing the shit they were doing.
Hey,
Like,
man, are you
you're-
sure you want to have that opinion?
I don't want to.
Why is it though? You feel like that person's innate ability should come out without the director having to
Yeah, I
bring
feel
it
like
out?
I just like you should have proved yourself by now. I don't give you. The Rock has made 50 films and they were all shit.
But it was all in like 3 months, so he didn't have time to like get his fucking...
Dude, that movie we made with the white gorilla. That's where I'm like I'm out.
Albino gorilla? I don't know which one is this.
Rampage. There's a
Oh.
movie. No one watched it. but,
Oh.
I mean, actually, it did like 500 million. Every
Yeah.
movie does
Yeah.
just 500 million.
It's unbelievable.
It's like his creatine intake and the box office numbers just keep going up.
Yeah, good for him, bro. Actually, I don't
Have a strong
I don't
opinion.
feel strongly about this, and I feel like if you think it means that the actors should have proved themselves first, I feel like it double proves the director's point of view. If that's what you're saying, you're like, oh, actually, this person's skill is that he can bring something out
Yeah.
of a place where you thought there was nothing.
Yeah.
but he clearly has that eye where you can see.
That's what they say about Priyadarshan also.
Yeah.
No.
All right, you guys are like corporate shills who love The Rock. Fine, he's a scholar and a gentleman.
It's just like if you, I've worked with some like good directors and not good ones, and not good ones expect you to do the work, which is also fine. But good ones will just like,
Yeah.
they'll come and talk to you, be like, what do you think? This guy will say this like this or what? And you're like, I don't know. He's like, why don't you just play with this? Imagine if you were coming from here. Okay, we'll do it.
That's brilliant. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the skill to make it feel like
You came up with the
idea.
idea.
And also, like
in a
taking
sense,
you.
they want you to come up with it.
Yeah.
But
Sure.
to create an environment where you feel like you are more like this character than you
Yeah.
are.
Prompting
Whatever-
it in you.
this guy.
What?
Permanent paid partnership with ChatGPT. Oh, God. You've acted in films, Karan. Do you want to do more?
Yeah.
No, bro, don't
Why
talk to me
not?
about this. I honestly just it just happened the films I've been in. It was never an ambition of mine. Yeah, one thing led to another. I'm in a film. It's fine. I don't know how to act, so it's not something I pursue. I would like to make films.
Yes.
And I think starting, if everything goes well, I'll have something on the ground next year.
Oh, nice.
Fully
You're doing
indie.
everything except stand-up. You're doing. You're writing a book. You're creating a film. You are.
I think
Coding software.
I'm actually pretty
You're just not going on
I'm
stage.
pretty stand-up out.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
think about this very often. Of like, I don't know how much more stand-up I have in me.
Okay.
I think I have one more show for sure, and then after that, I'm like, I think
Really?
I should step back.
But will you just do it for time pass?
Yeah,
at the
I'll
time?
do it for kicks maybe, but like, it's a lot. I put a lot of effort into it, whether or not people can tell.
Yeah.
It's like I care about it a lot. I
Yeah.
work very hard on it, and I travel a lot with it, which is like last year I did like 150 plus shows in one tour cycle.
crazy.
It doesn't allow me to build any sort of life at home,
Yeah.
and sometimes I feel like. I don't know, how long will I do this? Right? You guys never think that? I'm like, how long?
I mean, I guess for us, we still have that thing of like we're feeling like we're climbing a
Yeah.
ladder. I think
Yeah.
when you feel like you've, that'll come from within
I think
you.
I've hit the ceiling of what
You
I
have
do.
reached a point where you're like,
Yeah.
okay, like now who all wants to be with me can be with me. The people on the outside periphery you can go types, right? You have reached that point, right?
Yeah, I think there's maybe it's. I actually I'm not sure what it is. I feel like I've hit the ceiling of what I do.
Correct.
In terms of audience,
In stand-up.
in stand.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you ever want to like put up like not this tour, but the next tour, put up a tour, and
Yeah.
last minute if you're like, I don't feel like doing stand up anymore, Gautam and I can split the
Yeah.
dates.
Let's
and do
just
your
three of us
shows.
go on a tour together.
Let's
Dude,
do it.
And they don't know who's going to perform that night. We play rock paper scissors backstage.
Yeah, we'll all go there. We'll all reach the
we'll
venue.
all go there, and on stage in front of them, we play rock paper scissors, and the winner gets to do an hour.
Oh my god, this
And the
is
losers
like,
have to sit in chairs and just watch him.
Dude, this is like
People
that,
are crying.
This is the new Bollywood film which had two endings. What is that? The
Raj, nah.
Sajid Nadiadwala film, right?
No, Raja, they changed the ending. With
Not
AI.
Ranjana, dude. There
They
was
did. No, they really
a Houseful, right? Houseful.
Houseful 3.
Houseful 3 had two endings.
Houseful 5 just
Yeah,
came out.
Houseful 5.
Whatever,
sorry.
they're Houseful now. Two Houseful, two Furious. That one
Yeah.
had A and B endings.
So
you
like
can-
it's choose your own ending on the OTT. Or
Kind of.
What did they play in the theater?
What, A
no, you
and
can
B?
go. You buy tickets for A, and then later you go buy tickets for B. See both the endings.
Oh,
Yeah.
Devious.
Devious
What
as
a
fuck.
marketing scheme.
Yeah.
I remember for Kahona Pyar Hai when it had come out.
Yeah.
Blockbuster.
In one ending,
Yeah.
he doesn't say pyar. At the end.
Yeah, Kahona.
Nahi kaha pyar.
He says Kahana Pyar Hai. Kahana Pyar Hai. Stop annoying me. In that day, I
Yeah.
remember we saw it in the theater and
Yeah.
we absolutely loved it. And then
Yeah.
we got the VCDs and watched it at home and absolutely loved it again.
Yeah.
And then news came that they were re-releasing
Oh.
the film with one new song with Amisha Patel in it. Okay, this
Okay.
came in the newspaper.
Okay.
And I told my parents, I was like, we gotta go. Dude.
Yeah,
There's a new song. And they were like, they just do this for marketing. And it was the first time I was introduced to cynicism in my life.
So your parents said no. You all didn't
No,
go.
we didn't go. I've never seen that song.
Oh no. It's a
I've
shame.
never seen that song.
That really brought the movie together. It tied the film
Tied the
together.
film together?
like the rug.
Yeah. There's that 5-minute black screen in the middle.
Yeah.
You're like, something should go here. Did you just forget?
Redacted like a CIA document, right? It's just like,
Oh man, that's Kahona Pyar Hai, man. Have you watched Kahona Pyar Hai?
yeah, I watched it. I never had this emotional connect with all that Kabhi Kushi, Kahona.
Bro,
Kuch Kuch
Hrithik
Hota Hai.
Roshan, the Hrithik Roshan craze was. I was.
It
like,
was-
part of
I
it.
was
No,
there.
I know that I know because all the girls I was trying to hit on, they were like Hrithik Roshan. I was like,
Yeah, he had. He had this. I was fighting those girls for
Yeah.
the poster
oh shit.
from Coke. He had this crazy Coke campaign. He's like, "Find me with Coke." You remember that? Coke. And I was
That was
looking.
like
dude.
Mujhse Dosti Karogi campaign. I think.
Yeah. I was looking for him. I remember.
Dude, we told her that we have Hrithik Roshan's home number.
Okay.
And she was like, what really? And we thought like she will like sniff it out, the prank, like
Yeah.
long back. We played along for 3 months. We played along. We gave the number. She called. nobody picked up.
Okay.
And like came next day. Ritik was not home. I was like, dude, get it, dude. I don't want to tell you.
You don't want to say it's a prank.
Yeah.
When you're 3 months into a prank, you're hoping they figure it out.
Wow, dude. Yeah, when Kuch Kuch Hota Hai came out, I had the cool chain.
Oh, you had it? Oh no.
Yeah, the friendship bands was a
Friendship
huge thing
band,
also. We
yeah.
used to
We
have
had
like
friendship
friendship
band,
band
right.
till here.
Really?
Yeah, and like my friend, he was like he had the most friends in
Oh,
the
damn.
building. He's like the most girls have given me friendship
That's
band.
the worst
We
flex.
later, 2 years later, I was like, dude, you were the loser. Now we found out. Because that
Forever
time it was
friend
cool to
zone.
have friends, girls
Now
as
it's
friends.
lame to have friends.
I mean, girls as friends, you were basically friend
Oh,
zone.
okay.
So it's just, I mean, they've turned the lens.
Well, he started Facebook, so I mean, good for him.
yeah. My friend is Mark Zuckerberg.
My friend Zuck, the Zuck.
You know, I don't know if you guys play, but if this is a shit year for movies, it's like an incredible year for video games.
Okay. What's going on? GTA 6 next year though.
GTA 6 next year, but this year,
Ghost of
Elden Ring
Yotai.
Night Rain has come out.
Yeah.
Elder Ring.
Elden Ring.
Ring.
Jose was
Elden
talking
Rings.
about
Night
this.
Rain.
Jose
Yeah.
was. Did you play with Jose?
Jose,
right?
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we've had him on.
At night, Kenny, Jose, my friend Manik, and me, some combination. Jose usually doesn't come because he plays better games. Yeah, well, it's like if Fortnite was a more brutal and cruel experience.
Okay, cool.
It's
That's
just a
exactly
very
what I'm
cruel
looking for.
game.
Okay.
But you chat with your friends and you play and it's great. There's another game called Claire Obscure.
Okay.
It's a French game.
Doesn't sound like it wants to be famous.
I don't think you want to promote it. We have to beep this out.
Claire Obscure.
The hint is in the
Spectacular.
title. But so when this guy's played he's done some gaming.
Basic gaming.
When you say you chat, are you chatting or you talking to each other while playing? I know
Well,
nothing.
on PlayStation, you can start it's called a party.
Party.
Okay.
Yeah, and so the party can just voice chat.
Yeah.
Voice
So
chat.
you talk into the controller.
Yeah.
That does sound like great fun.
It is great fun.
Yeah.
There are many days this year that I'd be sitting like, classic movie thing.
Yeah.
Like, how will I get through one more day of this wretched life?
Yeah.
And then someone be like, you want to play Night Rain? Oh, yeah.
But how many hours do you just go like all night sometimes? You're like playing for like 3-4 hours?
Max 3 hours
Okay.
we'll play. That's actually a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah.
And one shot, 3 hours?
So 3 hours
sitting?
would be like 3 runs. Each
Okay.
run is about 45 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
But tell me something. Do you never feel at the end of when it's done and when
Yeah.
you're having the proverbial Black Mirror moment, do you feel like a sense of time has been wasted, or do you never feel that?
Yeah, I feel like all kinds of bad actually. So it's not just waste of time. It's like, oh, I could have used this skill better. Why am I playing video games with my friends at 3 o'clock in the morning at 35 years old?
You can join the army. Like what? How do you use
No,
your
I mean like,
reflexes?
why do I have nothing more consequential in my life to come
Fair.
back to? I don't feel guilty about productivity because I finish all my writing work in the day.
Correct.
So I finished that. So I don't feel like I didn't work today. But I still feel like, well, I mean, I could do this or I could write more, I guess.
Yeah, but that brings me to a great because I
Yeah.
know you have this writing regimen. Have you had it before you thought of writing the book, or did it like with just stand up? Also, you had this. I'll wake up and I'll work on my stand up.
No. With stand-up, you can't, I mean, at least I can't do it
Yeah.
writing at home. It's crazy to think that
Well, you write on stage?
you could, yeah.
So
you
I
know,
can't do that at all.
First couple of years, I was fully
Writing.
writing the joke
Yeah.
thing and then discuss it before the open mic with the guys. Like, what
Yeah.
do you
Yeah.
think?
Hey guys.
And then you go on stage and they're like, why did you do it like that? You're supposed to do it like this.
Yeah.
And then it's a very collaborative,
Yeah.
everyone who
Yes.
starts on an open
Yes.
mic talking to
Yeah.
each other.
Yeah.
Then you figure it out, I feel
Yeah.
like. You get some sense. Then after a while, it's just not practical to build the show in 5-minute segments. Not to sound like a douchebag, but like if you want to make a larger narrative point, you can't, it won't even become clear to you what that point is.
Yes.
So what I do is I'll thrust myself on a stage with like what I'm doing tonight for first time and no material, 60, 70 minutes to fill. And I'll figure something out. And if I keep trying on material like that, and it's a luxury to be able to do it, I feel like the show comes as one bigger piece, which... I feel like that's the kind of show I like, where I like silly jokes also. Like
Correct.
I'm not good enough to write the silliest, high quality silly jokes. But I feel like I can do the blend of like,
But when you say, okay, that's how you get the central idea.
yeah.
But let's say today, like you're saying, you're going to do a trial show today.
Yeah.
Do you have like bullet points of these jokes? These are the ideas I'm going to
Today
try?
I don't because I literally don't have any.
So you're going up absolutely
Raw dog.
I have nothing tonight, but like after tonight, I'll have some points
Okay.
where I'm like, okay. I mean, they might not last,
Sure.
but I'll know. Okay, at least these are some
you have a
funny
start.
areas.
Huh.
So, how do you like? What's
Yeah,
the
how do
first thing
go
you
up?
say on stage?
Yeah, I don't have.
What's
my
up? What's going on?
Sorry, I gotta change my set then. We're clashing.
As you know, my catchphrase. What's up, party people? As soon as I get on stage,
That's right.
it's a Karan Gill production. What's up, party people?
When I say stand, you say up comedy.
Stand,
up comedy is the worst split of that the call and response.
when I'm coming up with stuff, what
Yeah.
I find is like fun for me to do is at first I'll talk about the place we're in.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Love it.
Make fun.
Beautiful.
If the person who was on stage before me, if there was a person, said something and that reminded me of something, I'll tell that story.
Yeah.
Yes, nice.
And I like to do like kind of observational crowd work.
Yeah.
Where I not like what I don't start with a question.
Yeah,
If I notice someone with something,
Yeah.
I'll start with that.
nice.
Be
So
like,
just being
this is
super
a loop.
present.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
you can't help. You can't phone it in when you have nothing.
Yeah, true,
You
fair.
phone it in later.
Yeah.
That's
Okay, that brings me to the
At
question.
show number 149, you'll
Yeah.
be like,
149 phoning it in as actually no 149 it comes back.
Oh shit, that's now you've gone down that hill and you're back to be present.
But yeah,
But,
is this
okay.
interesting for
No,
anyone?
this is
I don't
interesting.
know.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
People will love it.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
love it. You're the comedy philosopher we've
Yeah.
been waiting for.
Well, not even one philosophy we've done in this episode.
Listen, you don't know what counts as philosophy.
That's true.
All right.
That's true.
One man's non-philosophy is another man's philosophy. It's not a good quote, but it works.
kind of reveals the end quickly. Non-philosophy, like
This is another man's dash. But sorry, we will move on from this topic quick. But when you have the show,
Yeah,
and now is the show,
Yeah.
you know
Yeah.
what you're doing.
yeah.
Do you completely like? Cause I have this debate with people. I sometimes don't look at the faces of people when I'm performing. When I
Right.
know the show, I'm just like, there are people. They're in my peripheral vision.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm looking above them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just the
Occasionally I
audio.
look at them. But some people, like I think you're more like
Yeah.
you look at.
I look
You,
more,
you
yeah.
want feedback from their
Yeah, I need
faces.
to see their muscles.
I don't want to see anyone.
I sometimes don't know anyone's face in
Yeah.
the show.
Yeah.
I
at the
actually,
end.
in like audios, I'll turn up the lights extra bright
So you can't
in
see.
my eyes, so I literally can't see anyone.
No, I
blind
like
yourself.
seeing.
Literally, I get off stage with like
Yeah.
spots in my vision,
Dude,
but I don't like to see anyone because I don't know, man.
You're not a
It's
visual
about me,
person.
bro. The show's about me.
I was telling him
I wish I could see myself right now.
Yeah.
I was telling him I was in one of these open mics where they had the lights bang in my eye.
Yeah.
And it was such a horrible bomb I had that I thought I was alone in the room. I had no idea there were people. Even they
Yeah.
weren't even creaking their chairs. They weren't breathing. I was like, God damn.
His vision is based on movement.
Yeah, I was almost scared to do this and see just 7 empty chairs where there
Yeah.
were people once.
That can happen, bro.
Yeah, man. Oh, there's enough stand-up talk.
Enough stand-up, no more inside.
Enough stand-up talk,
inside,
guys. What else is
outside.
happening?
We step outside
Yeah.
of
Let's
talk
ourselves.
about-
You have a few questions.
I don't know.
Karan?
People think stand-up is so difficult. It's really not, bro. I think any job is harder than stand-up. How would you describe your? Oh no, I'm not gonna ask this. Okay, no, not this.
Relationship
Not this tab.
My
Not this tab.
emotions, I don't want to talk about it.
Someone falls out of a 30-story building,
Someone.
but lives.
Okay.
With luck and their landing pad not being factors, how could they have survived the fall?
Someone falls out of a 30-story building and lives. Is this like an objective? There isn't a right
It's a
answer.
lateral thinking question, and there is a right answer.
Someone falls out of a 30-story building and lives.
Ah, there's a parapet.
But he said landing.
With luck and their landing pad not being factors, how could they have survived the fall?
They are on the ground floor.
Yes.
They fell
The
out of
building is 30 stories.
Gee.
They
I
fell out
hate
of the
this.
ground floor window.
No UPSC for
You could
me.
still die. You could still die.
Beautiful, man. I'm so proud. I'm gonna
is like
I'm gonna
that.
sit out the next 10 questions because I'm.
This next one
This
is
is
for
like those
Gotham.
UPSC questions where, like, count the stairs. Yeah.
Gotham, this is a very dumb question. What weighs more? 100 pounds of feathers or 100 pounds of quarters?
Yeah, all right, got it. Yeah, got it. That's what I got.
This is a really dumb question.
I'll phone a friend.
ChatGPT.
Okay, last question. There are a dozen eggs in a carton. 12 people each take a single egg. But there is one egg left in the carton. How?
12 people.
in a carton.
There are a dozen.
I heard it as cartel, and I'm like,
12 people in a car.
just like
Budding
12
cartoon.
gangster eggs.
12 people.
They're selling cocaine.
12 people.
I'll say it again.
Please read it
There are
out.
a dozen eggs in a
the
carton.
thing is there in the words, it'll be there one fucking.
Sure.
There are a dozen eggs in a carton.
Mm-hmm.
12 people each take a single egg, but there is one egg left in the carton. How?
12 people each take. Oh, I got it.
Tell.
You said there are a dozen. There could be more than a dozen eggs.
There are only a dozen eggs.
Damn it.
You try the same answer for the 30.
My
On the
lateral-
ground floor, actually.
I worked in the wrong lateral direction.
The person is a bird.
This is yeah, I fucked up.
It was the baker's dozen.
I also thought of this.
Oh,
I was
that's
like,
30,
I'll
right?
leave that.
Honestly,
for-
this answer is too lateral, but I'll just tell you. It's each person takes a single egg, but the last person just takes the carton with the egg inside. That's how the carton still has an egg inside.
You have to visualize.
You have to visualize.
It's a tough one. That's a tough one.
It's a tough one, and I'll tell you why I asked you.
Yeah. Oh, there's a reason.
This question challenges our ability to break outside of patterns and introduce concepts not provided in the context of story.
Nice.
Yeah.
You know the famous one with the 3 bulbs?
3 bulbs, no?
There are 3 bulbs in a room, and there are 3 switches next to you.
Yeah.
When you look at the bulbs, only one can be on at that time. You have to tell which switch is for which bulb.
I know how to do
In
it.
the shortest number of...
The heat. You switch
Yeah.
it on, and then switch it off, and then switch on another one. So now
Yeah.
you know 2 bulbs.
Yeah, and then
Because you know the light and the heat.
give them the proper say the full. So they
Just
know.
you figure it out, guys. Come on. What the fuck?
The right answer is Tala for a reason. When in doubt.
So, but the book you're writing a book right
Kanan's
now.
writing a book. He's written a book and he's
written-
writing a book.
Yes.
And he will write a book in all tenses are covered.
Yeah.
But what is the latest book about? What can we share with our viewers?
Well, first, have you guys read my previous book?
I've read
Yeah.
half of your previous book.
Okay,
The
you have
first
read
half.
none.
Huh? One second, I'll tell you. Just give me 2 minutes and I'll tell you exactly what I
It's
feel
so
about it.
crazy that I never meet someone who's read the book, you know?
No, he
Wherever I go, whatever platform.
I know many people
I
who
don't
read
read
it.
science fiction. I don't read science fiction.
It's actually not very sci-fi.
Fuck.
I know.
I don't read books.
I know many people who read your
Then
book.
it's okay.
Yeah.
I have a friend who's a big reader, and she read a book, and she said it was really good. And she shamed me for stopping halfway and called me a
Yeah.
loser. So,
Why did you stop halfway? Let's do a...
well,
Why are you turning? He's turning this podcast.
I had a
on us.
cataract operation. And I was like, let's not read. Let's rest my new eyes for a bit.
Fair enough.
No,
dude.
your book, I found it very, like, you have to be into, you have to be into sci-fi, or at least that realm of books.
You think so?
I found
you
it.
felt it was very sci-fi?
I think I found it like you're challenging the reader
I
a
was,
little bit
yeah,
with the
yeah.
narrator coming
I like
in and
playfully.
speaking. Correct.
Yeah.
So I was completely
Already
out of.
challenged.
I told you about my inertia. I was in a
Yeah,
state of
yeah.
inertia with reading. I had not read books in
Fair enough.
a year.
Yeah.
And then I started with your book. That was not. I don't
It's not-
recommend it
maybe
as a
that's not the
starter.
one to start with.
So now I'm reading again. I have momentum. I'm
Yeah.
reading a really nice book right now.
Called?
It's The Looming Tower. It's
4
about,
mistakes of my life.
It's about 5 points.
5 points. Yeah.
I mean any book that has a movie out,
Yeah.
it's a real challenge to read the book at that point. I
Yeah,
find.
fair enough.
No, but I'm reading Ready Player One. I'm
Yeah,
just
you
testing.
do exclusively that.
So no, I do I do exclusively that. I don't watch the movie. I just read the book of that.
There's a whole category of readers.
So one
Yeah.
second, he doesn't read
Like
science
Killers of the
fiction,
Flower Moon.
but
Yeah.
he's reading Ready Player
Exactly.
No,
One.
it's that's
The
a
most
gaming. It's a
sci-fi-
gaming thing, right? It's not that far off. It's a VR headset.
Okay.
If we are said, that's like, oh yeah, that's
It's
history.
just VR
That's
headset.
history. That's historical fiction.
So please continue, please. What do you guys talk about?
Sorry, so I'm reading now. I've read a bunch of science fiction books recently. Some of my favorite books ever I just read recently. So I'm in that zone now.
Wonderful.
I'm gonna jump back into
Crazy.
it. I think
Which big give recos to the audience?
one of the top 3 books I've ever read. I
Yeah.
read recently, The Sirens of Titan by Kurt Vonnegut. Just incredible.
Beautiful. Anything Kurt Vonnegut can't go wrong.
Yeah, it's like a 240 page book, and he covers so much in that much time. It blows my mind how
He's
much
very
he does.
precise.
Very precise.
Very precise with his prose, which is why
Yeah.
it takes so long, I guess. I mean, he's written a lot of books also. I can't. fault him for it.
But
Yeah.
it's weird. There's something
He's
about...
a huge influence on me.
Yeah, I could tell now, going
Yeah.
back, that I saw the influence.
Yeah.
But I think Kurt Vonnegut, it worked for me. I've read 3
Mind-blowing.
books of his this year,
Yeah.
and they were all great. What are you reading? Do you read
I read
anything
only
else?
crime stuff. Like this Ready Player One, I'm just reading because like someone recommended and all. I'm reading, but otherwise it's a lot of Japanese crime. Real.
Oh, like this Keigo
Kigo.
Higashino. Yeah.
Kigo Higashino.
Kigo
and,
is that
Malice is very good.
Huh?
Malice.
Malice is awesome. Malice is awesome. I mean, Suspect X is also
Suspect
awesome.
X is great. Yeah.
A
There's
lot
some
of-
ones that are really bad. bro.
Yeah, some of them, yeah,
Yeah.
correct. Like Final Curtain or something like that. Just
Yeah.
like, oh,
But his
man.
is... I've not read any of...
Malice
Kigo.
is very, very good.
It's very... It's like... It's a quick read, right?
It's a quick read because it's translated, so it's very simple English. So
Yeah.
it's not, there's no flowery words.
So what is the appeal? It's purely the plot.
It's a crime.
Figure it out.
Figure it out.
Or like with Suspect X, like you actually know in advance all the information.
Not
or
all.
do you?
Yeah. Not all. Yeah.
Got it.
But you get the sense like a good mystery novel is where you feel like you could actually have figured it out.
Yes.
Halfway through the book, you feel like
That
if
is
I
the
was
good
smarter, I should have figured it out.
Yeah, that's why, like, if you remember the old Sherlock Holmes, if you've read any of...
Yeah,
you remember
I've
Sherlock Holmes, bro?
almost everything.
I loved-
Sherlock Holmes, I've heard audiobook.
I loved Sherlock Holmes.
Yeah.
But there was some where I was like, in retrospect, Conan Doyle
Yeah.
was like, oh, I have no time. I got to wrap this one up.
Yeah.
It's going into publication in the newspaper.
He's like actually from the ash of his cigar.
Yeah.
I could tell like
Yeah, from
you,
this
dude.
mark on the wall, I could tell he has pimples.
No.
And I'm like, yo, come on.
That's the thing that's happening with these crime, what are movies and all those things that are coming in, like Glass, what is that? Knives Out. Knives
Yeah.
Out Part 1, great.
Yeah, part
Very
2
good.
was
Part 2,
bad.
like Glass Onion.
Yeah.
I mean, there's Edward Norton there.
Yeah.
He's not the hero.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, what are you going to pay him for being a side character?
Yeah,
He's the
we
villain
know.
then.
Oh,
We know.
right. So you can use all these external factors to
Yeah,
figure out
you're
the
like, oh,
plot.
it's either him or Batista. Like, yeah, you know,
But
it's Edward Norton.
But you can do the opposite, which is which Scorsese did in The Departed.
Yeah.
Which is that character who's not important, you think, comes
But
and
that is Scorsese.
takes DiCaprio out, and that changes.
It's just spoilers, bro.
Dude, it's The Departed. If you've
Yeah,
not
it's
seen
true.
it yet, that time has departed for you
Departed,
to.
Mark Wahlberg and
All the
DiCaprio.
people who look alike. Yeah, Matt Damon, Mark
Yeah.
Wahlberg,
Can't tell them
Leonardo
apart.
DiCaprio.
Yeah.
One of the best, like,
But
2.5
Killers of the
hour
Flower
films.
Moon, have you
Yeah.
read the book?
I'm not.
Like, 100 times better than the movie.
Yeah.
What?
It's awesome.
Movie was like long.
Long. The book is just a crazy.
I like the movie though, but I'm just like, I can't say anything bad about Scorsese. It's
No,
my
I mean,
blind
the
spot.
movie is good.
I
If you
just
think
love
the
him.
movie is good, the
Well, I
book
was
is
talking
that
to a
much
director
better.
about Killers of the Flower Moon and like The Gentleman or whatever. And I was like, yeah, like he
The
was like
Irishman.
objectively Irishman, sorry.
Yeah.
Objectively easily could have lost half an hour.
Yeah.
Fair
one of those
enough.
movies.
It was a bit long.
And I was like, yeah, but like, you know, he gets to do that now
Yeah.
in his career. You know, and it's because it's Scorsese, man. And
I
he's
think-
like, you shouldn't have to say who the director is to say whether the movie is good.
But generally,
His,
yeah.
input.
But generally speaking, I think Scorsese, you can't like when you watch his movie, you can't tell this is an old man making the film.
What?
Yeah,
The
like-
camera's not shaking.
no, as in his, it's very he's very like it. You can tell a person's age from when like the way they direct.
Even
and with Scorsese,
Woody Allen also has that thing. Any movie of his, very quick cut. I mean, whatever. Like, I mean, of course, let's separate the art from the artist. But Woody Allen stuff also.
yeah,
But yeah, he's like, it looks very youthful.
yeah. That is kind of the problem. His tastes are way too youthful. Even in his movies, if you're talking about it,
Yeah.
he's always playing a character who likes a way too young
Yeah,
woman.
and he's like a goofy nerd.
He's a goofy. He's himself.
Yeah.
And the woman is someone who he would really hit on in real
Yeah.
life. So what is this a movie? What are we watching right now? Manhattan. Have you watched Manhattan?
Yeah.
It's just
I watched
crazy.
some of his stuff. My girlfriend is a big fan of Woody Allen. Her likes are full. It's just cancel culture is her likes.
I mean, his
Yeah.
stand-up, he had some great bits. He was like, this watch means a lot to me.
Yeah.
My grandfather sold it to me on his deathbed. It's all like great.
Yeah. And his
Zach-
prose also is very good.
Is what?
His prose,
Prose.
like, the books are very good.
His
Zach
cons,
Galifianakis is
not
this
so
great
much.
joke. He's like, my name is Zach Galifianakis. It was named after my grandfather. My name is Zach Grandfather Galifianakis.
Oh, man. Love it. Is there any stand-ups that people don't talk about that you're like, why isn't everyone talking about this person? Like you would just recommend to a layman, go check this person.
You know Julio Torres.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah?
Did you
I
watch
feel like
his?
not enough people know Julio
Did you watch
Torres.
his show? The fan. Yeah,
show I thought was okay.
But it's interesting.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
But like my favorite shapes, I thought was
Is that out online?
yeah, it's on I think Geo.
I'll check it out.
Geo.
Yeah, they have the HBO catalog.
Yeah, I
now.
get it.
So
But
he
when
did
you say
shapes-
Geo is like, he got to Geo.
Yeah. Now
Poor
he's doing
guy.
colors. There were shapes, and now the next special is about
Is
colors.
colours?
Yeah. Not the channel. That, I don't think
It's
they're
like from Geo now he's got to colors. Now he's be on ETC.
that's a good one.
You
Yeah.
guys ever watch the TV shows where you could call in
Yeah.
and it's like a local cable channel where that person would just take calls and play the song that you
Yeah.
called for.
I mean, I remember MTV Select, which was that.
Not MTV Select.
Dude, we
local
had-
cable.
in
this
Dubai-
channel comes only in Bangalore.
In Dubai, there was one. I remember calling. You can call, and there's a game that there's a flight, like a toy flight. It like go up, down, up, down. You can do on the call, and it'll go up and down and up and down.
Why?
You can collect things. If you're playing a game on the TV. Yeah.
That's insane.
Oh, so the world
dude.
is watching you.
The world is
play the
watching us
game
play.
and you-
Yeah.
they're
Hello,
hearing you
hello,
say
yeah.
up and
This is
down.
Gautam Karama. Yes. Yes. Are you excited? Yes. 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 Let's start. Start. Up. But down. Down.
Isn't there going to be like latency issues in this?
It's from landline, bro.
No, there's one guy sitting with his ear.
That's incredible. I mean, there's the
Yeah.
TikTok games which we don't get, which is
Yeah.
like shouting at like the thing
Yeah,
which
the,
changes shape and
yeah.
passes through a wall.
That
Yeah.
comes in the reels.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I've never actually seen.
That
Yeah.
reverse singing game is also very funny.
Dude, it's
It's
hilarious.
so funny.
It is so
So
funny.
it's an app where you just sing a song and it'll just put reverse
Oh, and it plays it backwards.
backwards and you tell someone else to sing it backwards.
Innovation, beautiful. Like
Beautiful.
the
Yeah.
games
Beautiful
they're
innovation.
coming up with, I don't even play them. I just appreciate
Yeah,
them from a
forget
distance.
Skyrim, Night Rain. Have you
Skyrim.
tried reverse music generator?
It's Elden Ring.
Elden,
Night
sorry,
Rain.
Elden Ring. Sorry, my
Skyrim, totally different game.
Skyrim,
Totally different game.
totally disgusting.
bad. People are very
A
emotional.
disgusting concept.
Yeah.
Rimming at any level of sea level.
If you get good enough, one day you can rim the sky. Skyrim.
Are you like a person who goes to like museums and look at or paint
If I'm
galleries?
traveling, yeah, I'll go to every museum and every gallery.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I'll go to like I've been to like a shoe museum and all.
Shoe museum.
museum.
Yeah, it's in Toronto. If you guys want to go,
Okay.
it's owned by the Batas. And
Oh,
it's like-
really?
Yeah.
They're from Czech.
What is the entry? 99 rupees?
99, yes. They are from Czech,
Yeah.
Czechia or whatever it's
Yeah.
called now.
Yeah.
Safradio.
Czechia.
Yeah.
Chittiya
Opposite is
Kalaiya. Sorry. Okay, so there is a shoe museum in Canada.
Like I'll go everywhere I am, and if I don't have anything to do on a spare day, I actually don't know what to do with myself.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will just be in the city, and I either will just like sequester myself in the hotel room, like this. I've done that for many days.
That's fun.
Yeah. Or if I can work up the courage to go outside, I'll just go to I'll do like 4 museums in a day.
Oh, wow.
Just tire myself out and go to sleep.
Ooh, a lot of walking that gets the steps.
A lot
in.
of walking, go to theater alone and watch a movie at night.
I love doing that.
I
Now.
love
I used to
doing that.
never do that. Have you tried watching?
Yeah,
movie
I
alone?
only watch now. Like,
It's so good.
If there's a horror movie playing at night, it's like the best. dude.
What?
Oh, you're a horror
Yeah.
fan. You're a horror buff.
Horror, not a buff, but like
Not at all.
somewhat. This past month, I've watched some 20 horror movies.
Damn. You know,
I don't
there's
have a lot going on, bro.
Yeah, man. Why is your book late, man?
So there's a shoe museum in Canada, but do you know there's a Canada museum in Italy, and Italy shaped like a
Like
shoe.
a shoe.
Which is an insane.
Very good, very
flip.
good.
That
You
was,
made a connect.
I found a.
You found a connect.
Oh, yeah, we'll continue. Don't worry.
Okay, can we have an honest conversation now that Gotham is fucking
Yeah,
done?
let's do it.
Jeez, bro. This guy's so much.
He's just too
Oh,
much. right?
hey.
Hey, yeah, he's the best.
It's like his mouth.
He's like his mouth. Is that what you said?
I was like, it's like his mouth.
Oh, it's like his
But in a
mouth.
way, he's also like his mouth.
I've never seen anyone being compared to a part of themselves.
Yeah.
Dude, you are like your
Shamek
mouth.
is so Shamek elbow coded. Shamek is just like his own elbow copy pasted again and again on GIMP, not even Photoshop.
Someone sent me
GNU,
a photo of, there's this comedian called Gianmarco Soresi.
Yep.
Someone's like, you are his elbow twin. And so he has a video where he is someone's elbow twin. And
Yeah.
people keep tabs of the craziest things, dude.
It's so crazy, bro.
No, man, because I was telling you now, I'm getting into art and all a little bit.
You're
man.
getting into art?
Yeah.
Hey,
And
sick, dude.
paintings and all.
In what way are you getting into art? You like
Just
looking
buying
at
pirated paintings of the people and putting it in my house.
buying the prints.
Yeah,
download a
prints.
print from Kandinsky
yeah.
print.
From bestofbharat.com.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get like Mona Lisa blanket also. You can get
That's
Yeah.
my favorite.
everything.
Basquiat cap.
The shroud.
Yeah.
The shroud
so
of
what
Mona
we did.
Lisa.
So I mean, we moved to a new house, me and my girlfriend. So we were like, okay, what do we decorate the walls? We thought, okay, we'll do it art and all.
Yeah,
That's a
for
good
sure.
call.
So dude,
art.
like nice, like what are some Rembrandt, some little Van Gogh,
Yeah,
little
yeah.
Basquiat's, little this one, and then one we saw because we both like want a pet, but we don't have the time to like have a dog. So there was one, the dog, Francisco Goya.
Yeah.
Okay, the dog.
It's terrifying.
Huh?
So
that's
yeah.
That's the difference. We thought it was cute. We were like, oh,
Okay.
dog. We put it right outside our house, outside our room. Before
Oh,
going to bed,
wow.
we'll be like, oh, dog, and we'll go.
Okay.
And then we were showing it to someone, and they were like, "Whoa, why do you have a design?" And then we checked. It's called the Drowning Dog. The painting is called
Yeah,
the Drowning
Goya
Dog.
has some really like
Yeah, the
disturbing.
yeah,
Saturn eating his son.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
this is
that's the
famous
one I know.
Yeah.
Go, yeah,
Dude,
Silent
like-
Eating his son.
I mean, then if you're reducing this, like trying to reduce a string,
Yeah.
call it the Drowning.
Yeah.
Why calling the
Why
dog?
calling it the dog?
Yeah.
dog.
Yeah.
But
Now,
he did it for the algorithm.
Goya.
it was
Search
called
and
the
search
DR star
He
WNI.
changed his name so he could be big in Bangalore.
Yeah.
His original name is Sia.
Wow, we
Goya.
wanted a huge print of it. A dying dog just before we enter.
Oh,
Vaya.
that is pretty brutal.
Yeah. Oh my god. And then we got some other stuff. So we're thinking that okay, art is actually like what you interpret it, right? Mm-hmm. But everyone who's come to our house has been like, dude, hey, is everything all right? like what?
Yeah.
Change it.
But that's also like, it's nice. You're like, if I came to your house, I would think like, they're complex people.
They're
Yeah.
complex.
They got stuff going on.
That's exactly what
Yeah.
we want. We want to put that impression out.
Yeah, because if
Very
I saw some
simple.
Rembrandt and shit, I'm like, basic.
Yeah.
I see this Goya, I'm like, whoa.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
I got the drowning.
I think you have to take the call that you don't go with the most mainstream ones. Like if you
Yeah,
have a
yeah,
Mona
no.
Lisa in your house, that's like,
Dude,
what are you doing?
What
There
are you
was-
doing?
So there was once when we came from Dubai, we were coming to Coimbatore.
Yeah.
Right. So that time, me, my brother, and my mom, we came. My dad was still there.
Yeah.
And there was this rich guy who our bags got mixed up.
Hmm.
Okay. This guy, I forgot what his name is, a Menon. Okay. And he was one of the richest guys in Coimbatore.
Sure.
So our bags got mixed up, and we had to go to his house to pick it up. And he was like, "Oh, these rich people, they get very sorry, right, when something happens." So I'd be very sorry. It's just, I mean, you're like, this one, come to the house and all. He was like vintage car collection. He had like a huge Mona Lisa. This whole wall, it's like bigger than the real one.
It's the original. That's the original.
That's the original.
Like, why would you do that? He's like,
Yeah.
this is a Mona Lisa. Huge in the hall. This big.
Oh,
and we were
God.
like, oh, wow, this guy's
Sick,
so
bro.
cool.
This guy,
guy.
the Louvre only has this much. That means this guy.
This guy, bro.
Yeah, the Mona
he took
Lisa.
the ride. He took
Mona
that.
Lisa is like the Coldplay of paintings. You know, like
I
it's
gone on
frowned
a
upon.
walking tour of the Louvre.
Yeah.
And then they told us why the Mona Lisa is famous. It was stolen, right? You know this?
Yeah,
you know the lore.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if not, he just chose like a random Da Vinci painting that nobody cared about before.
Yeah.
And now that's why it became the hot
Yeah,
shit.
yeah.
Ah, yes.
Same thing with the Impressionists also. Like all of the Impressionists, like I think Monet and stuff. I hope I'm not talking out of my ass. I feel like this is a true story. It might be a dream I had. But I feel like
No, the Louvre one is the Mona Lisa one is correct. That,
Okay.
I mean, I've also heard
Like-
the same rumor.
all of the famous Impressionists, like all the paintings we now recognize as like this movement, were all owned by one guy. And when he died in his will, he said, "I bequeath this to the National Gallery." And the gallery was like, "You can't bequeath stuff to us, dude.
Don't
What's
bequeath.
wrong with you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't bequeath stuff to the National Gallery." And so there was a lot of press attention. And so that's how all this like water lilies and stuff got seen. Because people were talking about these paintings and they were so in the news. So if you
Wow.
want to promote your comedy special,
That's
Yeah.
how you do it.
think about it.
Bequeath.
Bequeath.
Yeah.
I gotta like, share, bequeath.
Bequeath or be like, "Oh, my special is stolen, guys. Can you help me
Yeah.
find it?
That is pretty. That is
One CD. It's there in the CD, guys.
My
CD.
pen drive is gone."
To keep it safe, I still use CDs. I put it on CDs to keep it like off. You know, like keep it from getting damaged. basically.
Moser Bayer.
Oh, Moser Bayer, dude.
Nero burning
Nero.
Rom.
Yeah,
Just the
Nero, yeah.
historical context of that they put in there because you're burning a CD.
Yeah.
And it's a Rom.
Rom, yeah.
Nero fiddled while Rom burned.
Just
Yeah.
the kind of That's
That's
the kind
sick
kind of
jokes.
That's the kind of neurodivergent person
Yeah.
I want selling me
Sick joke.
CDs.
Yeah.
You know. I think we'll go to
Yeah,
wrap up.
we have
But
to
we
go to
got
small
one little
talk.
celebrated segment to do.
Yeah. Two
Uh,
people have mentioned this is a great segment.
Yeah, by
the one
now.
from the previous one.
That's right.
Yeah.
Maybe more by now.
Yeah,
Who
yeah.
knows? We'll have to comment ourselves. in
Yeah,
case
yeah,
it's
we'll
not
have to
the
get
case.
the numbers
But it's
right.
called Small Talk Different Year. The year we've chosen for Kanan is 1967. And
Already,
judging
yeah.
by his appearance,
No, I'll go along with it.
he will do something. Don't worry, we will be fine. So we're in 1967, and we're just talking.
Hey, man.
Can we do a black and white filter?
Yeah, we will do that.
Okay, nice.
Don't
Yeah.
you worry.
All right.
It's not a filter. We'll go back to
We'll go to the
real
black and
life.
white times.
Yeah.
Real life.
So, guys, how do you feel about the nuclear prize for physics this year? Isn't it crazy? This is the one thing I know. Hans Bethe.
Oh.
Bethe.
That guy got it.
That- yeah.
I thought the nominees were someone else, right?
Huge
Dude,
upset.
you said the
it was going to
nuclear
be
prize. You meant the
It was
Nobel
going-
Prize, right?
I said nuclear prize. Nobel Prize for
Yeah, you said nuclear prize.
Yeah.
Nobel Prize.
Nobel Prize for nuclear physics.
Stellar nuclear something.
Oh.
About how chemicals are formed in stars. That's what he figured out. It was kind of an upset. All the rest of the
I
nominees
thought
were
the
like,
vaccine for some disease would have gotten it.
Or The Rock.
Oh, this is physics.
who was doing no, like this rock. All the work on the rocks.
Please, Karan, stick to our script. Huh? I honestly wasn't watching keeping up with the news.
With the
Not-
Nobel Prize.
Yeah, because I was just listening to Sgt. Pepper, dude. It's this new album by the Beatles.
Yeah.
Man.
I'm planning to get into the Beatles one of these days.
Oh, yeah, it's about time.
Everybody keeps talking about them, but I feel like they'll be a band for decades and decades to
Yeah.
come.
Do you think so?
I feel like they'll
I
never
think
split
they're a
up.
flash in the pan. People will forget about them. There's going to be a new Beatles in 3 years.
Man, I don't know. How do you guys get time for this, man? Like, you see the petrol prices going up and all. How do you get time? I'm just thinking about the economy. What?
Your
Almost
time-
2 rupees. a
Yeah,
liter.
almost 2 rupees.
2
Dude.
rupees. Do you have 2 rupees right now?
No.
No,
Told
man.
you.
I only seen 2 rupees once.
Yeah. Already I spent 4,000 for my scooter.
Oh, 4,000?
4,000? You got ripped off, dude.
4,000
Yeah, dude.
annas or?
And then after
That's
2
two
rupees
sets
every
of
liter.
2,000 rupee coins, man. Come on.
Dude, I mean, since you brought it up, guys, Padmini Premier or Ambassador?
Oh,
The big
dude.
question.
Oh, man.
I heard Ambassador's coming with a convertible.
I think Ambassador. You know what I like? I like the standard Triumph Herald.
Ooh,
Solid
the
card.
standard. My
Yeah.
favorite version. Classic salted.
No, Standard, the Indian company.
Yeah.
Has done FDI with Triumph, the British company.
Man, you read a lot of news, man. Kind of like, where?
I actually, for some reason, did a lot of research about this car. Independently.
On All India
I just
Radio, you
remembered
heard,
it.
right? On All India Radio.
No, I went to the library.
Oh, you went-
Oh, yeah.
fair
library,
enough, fair
library.
enough.
That's
I bought a
on
car
brand.
that's coming out this year.
We are such intellectuals in our time, considering that
Yeah.
all people talk about on the streets are Rajesh Khanna is killing it right now.
He is really killing it
Again,
right
like you were saying about the Beatles, and I think Beatles are a flash in the pan.
Too
Rajesh
much.
Khanna forever going to remain the number
Gonna
one.
be number
superstar.
one for
No
life.
one's
Yeah.
gonna beat that guy.
No way.
Anytime
No way.
soon.
Yeah,
I don't see
it's just like how we are killing it in hockey, and like there's nothing that can stop us in hockey.
Yeah.
like
Absolutely.
Rajesh Khanna is the hockey of film.
That's true.
Honestly, and there's one more like one-hit wonder. I saw a film called Jewel Thief. And Dev Anand, I feel like this is
what
it.
a name! 2 first names, Dev Anand.
Dave Anand, come on. You're on your way out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
He
Yeah.
just looks like a guy who's gonna live fast, die young. You know, Dave Anand. He just has a vibe. Like this guy's going all
He's just
out.
too youthful. You can't burn so bright.
Yeah,
You just
exactly.
can't.
How long can you be a youthful, jumpy character with a kerchief on his neck, right?
No, man, it's 67, maybe 68, 69, 70.
Hey,
Hey,
69.
nice.
Nice. Some things are
We
timeless.
should get a band together. Nobody quit or get married.
Man, but I don't know. I went to Bangalore recently, man. I was just like hanging out over there. So I should
On
go to
South
this-
Parade Road.
Huh? There, yeah, somewhere around there. I saw, very small bookshop, very small, where this one person called Sapna. She was just starting her bookstore.
Is this real? This has happened in our year, 1967.
Yeah.
Sapna Bookstore was 1967?
She's saying this was the first time she's doing a bookstore in 1967.
Very
and I
good.
was
I
like,
wish her all the
dude,
best.
that is I wish her all the
That's
best.
some dream to have
Yeah,
a bookstore.
because
Am
I was
right?
telling her the internet is going to come and change everything.
My friend Koshi also was like,
Tim Berners-Lee.
DARPANET.
Sorry, you were saying?
Yeah, Koshi.
Yeah, my friend Koshi.
Uh-huh.
He's like, I think I'm onto something.
Prem?
I'm like, Koshi, go ahead, man.
That's
yeah,
fucking
Koshi. Yeah, that's
banger.
like the location he has is not that good because
It's not
that's that-
central.
It's not
next
central.
to the Bible Society building.
Yeah, but like, I mean, if
this
you
is
just
so
like, I think that's going to
such
be like an
deep
office
cuts.
area.
I love
We've
it, guys.
alienated everyone not from Bangalore.
I think we nailed it, guys. We caught the essence of our year. The
Of
year of our
1967.
Lord, 1967. Peace. That's that.
That's
Karan, you want to plug something? This is going to come out in a month. So
In a month, I probably will have at least the promos for my new special.
Hell yeah.
What is this coming out? Probably on YouTube, maybe on membership. I don't know. I'll release 2 versions of it.
Yes.
Beautiful.
I have a punk rock version and a deluxe version. One is
Beautiful.
30 minutes longer than the other one.
Love it.
Oh wow, nice.
Yeah, it's just 2 takes on the same material.
That's
Okay.
amazing.
What-
And
and you have a book also coming. No, it's just like, and you have a book coming out.
No.
You want to discuss? You want to discuss about the book that's not coming out?
I have an epic fantasy novel that I've been writing for many years, and I thought I would finish it by now, but I'll finish it by December.
Awesome. Perfect.
Okay.
We both are
now
on
the
tour.
excitement in this room right now.
If I die before this episode comes out, please bequeath all of my comedy
Beautiful.
to the Louvre.
Oh, God
Oh,
damn it.
fuck.
I thought to us. and
Yeah,
we were
man, we
gonna-
could have taken it.
No, I bequeath it to you guys on the condition that you bequeath it to Louvre.
Yeah.
That way all of us
You're
get
giving us
popular.
work also on the way out. Jesus
All of us
Christ.
will be huge.
Beautiful. That can be done. We both are on tour right
Yes.
now. Come watch us live.
Together.
Together, separately,
separately.
who knows?
Okay.
In every combination, permutation,
Yeah.
combination, there's only 2 possible ways.
You should do like the podcast tour as well.
We will.
We were talking about it, but
We
we're
might have planned it
25
by now.
episodes in.
Yeah.
We will do a
Yeah,
podcast.
Silver Jubilee
Yeah.
celebration.
Yeah, and then you can have a bunch of live shows. It'll be, I think,
We will do
Yeah.
that.
great content. And then people will like the podcast more than you guys individually doing stand-up. And then you'll have to wrestle with the identity of like,
You've already
I don't-
killed the idea for us right there.
this is not what I wanted to be famous for.
Beautiful.
But I am famous. How will I walk away from
The
this?
entire arc has been covered.
Welcome back here. We'll take it. That's all for this episode
Yeah,
of Broke
ciao.
Studio.
See you.
Thank you guys so
Jeez.
much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like. That camera is off.
That camera,
camera
this
is
camera, yeah.
I've been pointing
Plug.
at that one from then and you're doing your
I thought we both
plugs.
pointed different
But it's
camera.
funny. You'll be looking here and your plug will be there.
Jay, yaar, fuck. What is the point? What is the point? Why are we alive? See you next time.